Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today iftar time is 6:03. So
My name's Salma, I'm from Luton Food Bank, and we've organised an iftar for the refugees at an asylum.
It was a beautiful idea because obviously, as you can imagine, with refugees, they've come to a new country.
Well, alhamdulillah, I'm actually here on behalf of Islamic Relief. Now, we've had the privilege of being able to work with Luton Food Bank.
Yeah, so I'm Sophie from Near Neighbours, and it's our privilege in this last funding round with Near.
Hi, I'm Liz from Luton Food Bank. Very pleased to see so many people have been.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله.
Who have also supported the iftar tonight.
लब पे नाते पाक का नगमा कल भी था और आज भी है मेरे नबी से मेरा रिश्ता कल भी था और आज भी है.
I'm Sophie from Near Neighbours. Just really grateful to be invited along tonight by Asma, and we're at Near Neighbours really happy to be able to support Next Generation Scheme and the work they've done over the last couple of meetings that you guys have had together, bringing people of different backgrounds together over shared spaces and food. At Near Neighbours, Luton is one of our regional hubs. We've got 7 regional hubs at the moment across the country, and we're really glad to be able to work with David Jonathan and the work that he does as a coordinator locally. So really pleased to be here this evening and look forward to the iftar meal with you all, and just brilliant to be able to see so many different people coming together and sharing this space together over food. So thank you for having me, and thank you again to Next Generation Scheme for all they're doing across the project that Near Neighbours is really grateful to be able to support.
Luton is a priority region for Islamic Relief UK, being one of our largest UK donor bases. We also have a partnership with Islam Bedford, so naturally we'd be happy to fund yet another season of food drive with you guys. So a lot of the messaging which you've seen from us has been around zakat being our sacred duty, emphasizing that it's not just a form of charity but an amana, right? So placed on us by the one who gave us more. So with that in mind, we understand that you're putting your faith in us to deliver a sacred duty and responsibility rather than generosity. So I'll tell you guys about Batul. She's a 15-year-old girl from Palestine who lost her father, uncle, grandmother, and best friend to war. So she now lives in a tent with her remaining family. We have privilege enough to receive one.
Really pleased to see a great turnout this evening. Lovely that we're able to support you all, and hope that you enjoy the meal. We're very, very thankful to all our partner organisations who have made this possible, and to all our volunteers who are out there getting your food ready. So please enjoy yourselves. Please do eat as much as you feel you can and need. There may be some takeaways at the end, so don't leave on your own with no food to go with you. Take care.
कितना प्यारा है मौसम वहाँ का, कितनी पुरकैफ सारी फज़ा है, तुम मेरे साथ खुद